With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. So here we have the question. Define oscillation related to a simple pendulum. So the solution will be solution. Oscillation is defined as one complete to and fro motion of the bob of simple pendulum. So what this means is, let's suppose this is a fixed surface through which a bob is attached to an inextensible string. So let's suppose it is initially at this point. So it will flow from here, that is, it will go from here to here. That is, it is 1-2 motion. It is going from here. This is called 2 motion. And from here, it is again deviated to its original path. Here, this is called fro motion. So one complete to and fro motion is known as oscillation. When it goes from here and reaches to its original position, is known as one oscillation of the pendulum. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.